Okay, good afternoon, guys. Today we are unboxing my package from Princess Martin, I think. Let's open it. Ooh. Says here, hello Ate Josie, hope you and your family are well. New season and new catalog has landed, and in this box are some of the new scenes for this season. You have been one of my valued customers, and I thank you for supporting my little business. I really appreciate it. Hope you'll love the scenes, or if anything, please keep in touch and I will be happy to help. Enjoy warming them. Love, Princess. Oh, nice little message. So thank you. Says Ate Josie, thank you so much for your orders and for supporting my business. Appreciate it so much. Enjoy your goodies and looking forward to hearing from you again soon. Princess. Thank you. Nice little wrap, a nice little message. See, darling, look. Look.
Very
Oh,
nice.
she's, look, come here. Little tiny senses. She's putting a lots of goodies. many stuff. She's putting lots of nice stuff on her on the thing. Look, on the coffee. And this is the senses. Nice. And goodies. Another goodies. So that's cute. That's so cute. Putting a lots of cute stuff. Extra stuff. She's putting so much stuff. I ordered this, only this, and this, 2, 3, 4. And she's putting a lots of goodies. Lots of new stuff to like.
Samples and stuff are nice, huh?
Try. Nice smells, huh?
Really nice. Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Really nice.
Oh, nice.
Really nice.
Look at this. Look at this. Dream it, live it, love it. That's what I like.
It's nice. What did you do with the one that we had at Charlie?
In there, in the bag. See that?
Let me see it.
Dream it, live it, love it.
Love it.
You see, this is the switch here, and then you turn off. Switch on, switch off. And this is little plug in here.
Oh, nice. Very nice.
This one you put this on top, and it just melt on the.
Did you put any water in it or anything? No. Just
No.
dry.
Just this, and then it will just.
It's the
So
fragrance.
there's no smoke.
Oh, nice.
There's no smoke. It's just the smell around the house.
Oh, excellent.
Nice, yeah.
Nice.
Beautiful. Can try this on the plug in later.
Oh,
See, this is it's a
Take a
syrup.
cup. That's ceramic, yeah.
Yeah. So
Nice.
you have to be very careful. It's not. It is. You can't get this in the thingy.
You'll be taking it to the Philippines.
Yeah, that's why I get them because we got lots of. We got big smelly stuff.
You'll be cooking outside
No, I mean
in the dirty
like
kitchen.
especially if you're.
No, joking
And look,
aside, we will
this
be
is
cooking
this
inside.
is she's giving me cotton buds to clean. Little stuff. So cute. She's so cute. This.
Yeah.
She's got so much goodies to put. She put
What's that at all?
direction depending on the sample. Use this direction in your contact.
Is it
And
crystals that
warm
melt?
water for either hand, foot, or full body. Oh, this is for your body.
Ah, nice.
Yeah, it's for to wash your feet or your to put
Oh, it's
on,
like
on the
bath
bath.
salts.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, wow. Very nice indeed.
So lots of goodies. One. This is the main one.
It's nice.
Thank you, Princess. It's arrived safely anyway. And this one. This is what I ordered.
There's little bits of it. Oh,
So
that's
you
very
use
nice.
this one each of these.
For
What you put you break it and then so you don't melt everything. So you
Yeah.
just put this one
One
cube.
at a time, so there's which one's 9? 9.
Yeah. So 9.
Wow.
No, 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 cubes.
Oh no, 8 bits, 8 cubes.
Yeah, 8
Yeah.
cubes.
That's quite nice.
8 cubes. It's nice.
Pretty nice. Let me smell the Emma.
Smells good.
Oh yeah, it's really nice.
That makes you fall asleep. It's like a lavender.
I never have that problem.
Huh?
I never have that problem.
What?
Falling asleep.
See, lavender. This is the lavender.
It's really nice.
Smells good. Oh,
Yeah,
it
really
so
nice.
smells good.
Really nice.
It's beautiful. Thank you, Princess. Thank you for the little goodies. I got coffee latte. You can have this, darling.
Thank you. I'll have that for Monday morning.
And this is all the little samples. Thank you. I want to
Gives you an
try
idea what
this.
everyone's are like.
I'll try this and I can order some more. What is this?
It's really nice.
Just pick mixed fast pack with apple peels and a hint of crispies. Oh. Look, they got cookies as well. Got cookies, little goodies. Nice. Excellent stuff. Excelente. Very nice. And that's it. Thank you for watching. my unboxing package from Princess. Thank you. Love you guys. Please subscribe and hit the notification too, and share. Love you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.